to my new tune on Radio Bacon.
Yeah, this is it. Paying homage to all of the songbirds of the age. Ever. I grew up in Muskogee, Oklahoma, many miles away from home. And I'm sure you don't know my band. Yeah, it comes from out of this town. I'm talking about the one and only Hope Band. Listening to the melodies, yeah. I was submerged in the music at an early age. And this track is a great homage. Yeah. Oh, yeah. It's awesome, but happy. Oh, yeah. One love for the Hope Band.
On Radio Bacon with my man, Captain Funk.
But I'm telling you, hold on and have faith. And one more thing, please don't give up.